Hi, this is Mark from Right Line Trading. Today is January 15th, 2014. I wanted to go over today's trading in our live trading room. We had a great day today. Could have had a little better day, but we had three trades, three wins. I think out of the last 20 trades, we have had 18 winners, 17 winners, only one full loser for 10 ticks, one loser for 4 ticks, and one loser for 2. And we've had 17 successful trades. All you got to do is go to the homepage of our website, and we have everything broken down on a spreadsheet. The link is on the homepage. Now the first trade. Now there was actually a really good trade early in the morning before the trading room opened. It was a power bounce off the 50. That was at 8:02, 8:03:23 Eastern Time. That went for 24 ticks. We don't open for 45 minutes, so that just wasn't a trade we could get. Then we had this three-line break right here, where this arrow is pointing. You can see the candle is outlined in magenta, which shows that order flow and momentum are with you. The 50 is heading up, and the trade gave us some heat. It really did. It came back a few ticks. Then it hit our first target of 7 and just ticked us out of the trade and then ran, unfortunately, for 46 ticks. So we just got ticked out on our 10 tick trailer, and then it went 46. But that's the way the market is. Can't cry over it. We got a clean first target, and unfortunately, no conservative re-entry on the move after it stopped us out. Then we had lots of chop and lots of potentials for stop outs. And then we had this great C candle that I missed. And this is really unfortunate. It was 18 ticks right here. Very conservative trade. 50 is up, 15 is up. Just really, that was just a bad miss on my part in calling the trades. So we only had one trade on crude oil all day, and crude is becoming challenging because it's contract rollover week, and we're trading the February contract, and the March contract is starting to pull volume heavily, actually, from this contract. Then we're trading the Russell, and we didn't have really any conservative entries until we had this move here that went for 10. And this was actually it's a new strategy. It's a strong impulse move through the 50. This is the only time that we take a trade against the 50. The 15 has to be pushing down extremely hard. It retraces very early into the trade and then reaffirms its downward movement with not only a strategy signal, but with order flow and momentum also pushing the trade to the downside. And that's turned out to be a nice trade. And this trade went for 10 ticks. So given the fact that the market was so challenging today, there was so much chop on the Russell, and crude has it's challenging on contract rollover week. Stopped trading after we had three winners, so we had +7, +7, +10, and I have to make it clear that these are for educational purposes only, not for trading live money. We had one trade on crude and a winner, two trades on the Russell, two winners. If you traded three contracts, you had $340 in sim equity. Five contracts, 610 in sim equity. So we had a nice equity day and a very rugged market with the potential for lots and lots of stop outs. So we're really running up a huge track record for the month of January. Again, like I said, so far in January, we've only had one full loser. And we're heading to well over $10,000 in profit on 5, and I'd say about between $6,000 and $7,000 of profit on 3. And this isn't, again, as I always say, this is not any retrospective review. This is what we do live. And this obviously includes slippage, not getting filled, all the potential problems that you run into. Also, rapid moving market during the announcement. Like this morning, there was the announcement of crude inventory, and the market just created all these candles in seconds, none of which were tradable. Of course, it was all chop anyway. There was no good signal. But this is money taken in a live market, calls made well in advance. You're welcome to come into the room, as I always say. You can give us a call at 855-765-6681. That's 855-765-6681. You can email us at info@rightlinetrading.com, and our website is www.rightlinetrading.com. Everybody have a great day.